Morning A-Team, how are we going today? Oh my god, look at my hair. It's a bit wild. I'm rocking that bloody 80s E17 hairstyle. Been missing hair gel ever since coming back from Vietnam, so I'll have to put that on top of my list of things to do today. It was the first morning. I got up really early again, got back into a normal schedule. I know I said to you guys the other day was day one. Still a little bit jet lagged, was hard to get out of bed, couldn't quite push myself as necessary, but today was on fire. Felt absolutely amazing getting up and reading through Where's Your Story, getting some inspiration. At the same time I was reading that, I was actually writing out my mission statement, my core values and my purpose, just so I could print it out and have something to read through every single day. Joshy, I think you've recommended this book to me once before. It's Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, and within that book there was a definition that he sort of walks you through a process, a statement that to read to yourself every single day. And I'm going to share that. I'll get that transcribed into a document so we can share that, because I thought that was quite a powerful thing to read and get yourself into the mind frame that you need every single day. Hand over that purpose to your subconscious so that you've got the strength and motivation to keep going every single day. That's what I need anyway. Sometimes I do feel overwhelmed with all of these goals and tasks and things to chase down. It does get quite uncomfortable, and I know that every single day we've got to practice it. When I was overseas, getting out of that habit, you tend to get a bit of self-doubt, because you're not in the zone. And just this morning, by putting on a new pair of shoes, bought myself a new pair of running shoes yesterday, and just going for that run in the morning, first thing, and repeating that one sentence to myself over and over again. I just powered through that run, come back, and then had all of this sort of excitement to and motivation and clear purpose on what I need to do. So, I'm hoping that we continue chatting like this. Send some videos back to me, lads. I want to involve you in this channel. We want to share our experiences with everyone, because we want to become this group of A-Team leaders that, propel forward and motivate people to, do more, help everyone on this same journey that we're going through. So, have a good day. Speak to you soon.